see if this is on. Yo. Oh, it's working. Bad. Bang. What's good, chat? Alright, finally got this bullshit to work, bro. Holy, that shit took way too long. We are going to build this fucking computer, bro. What's good, Hoffa? What's up, Nick? What's good, bro? Sorry, I've been trying to fix this. I've been trying to set this thing up for so long, by the way. Man. Make sure my shit's straight, Nate. Alright, man. What's good, Kufu? I just got a haircut, too. It's funny that you said that. Alright, we're gonna get started in a second. Let's move this shit around real quick. Let's move it this way, actually. How's y'all's day going today, man? Let me fix some. The hell? What's good, ABZ? What a joke. If I'm a joke, what are you, bro? Alright, which part do we start with first, actually? You're a fucking meme? So if I'm a meme, what are you, bro? I'll call you Cal. If you're a Cal, why don't you just type in you on your actual main account, bro? What should I start with? Motherboard, right? I think it's motherboard. Yeah, let's grab the motherboard real quick. You're banned? For 2 weeks? What? Who banned you? Say on God you're banned. Oh. Kick? Oh, you're banned from Kick? That's crazy. How the fuck do you get banned from Kick, bro? Nah, that's bad, bro. I'm not gonna lie, that's bad. How the fuck does that even happen, bro? That's actually bad, bro. Like, no bullshit. You're 1 of 1 for that, bro. Nah, you got it, kid. Alright, let's build this motherfucker. In your room? I'm gonna do all that after this, bro. Oh, this shit is hot. Play some tunes. This is not a fire drill, nigga. This is a real thing. Bro, how the I don't, like, I've never heard of anybody get banned, like, their actual account, bro. I've only heard, you know, getting banned from actual fucking places, but actual account is wild. Alright, let's open this shit up. Why did my phone keep resetting, bro?
Just put
You know, time? Nah, it's time to build this fucking computer, bro. It's time to build this computer game. Yo, this music gotta be way too loud. Trying to modify the music, you know. Play Mexico Joe. Mexico Joe's actually hard, bro. Nigga said Weez is whack, bro. That's crazy. Weez whack is wild, bro. Weez is hard. I said Weez. These is hard. Weez is hard. Weez tough. Nigga, this is the real thing. Gotta make sure I'm not leaking anything real quick. There's no way it took me this long to set up this fucking stream, bro. What's good, boys? All right. They need a pocket knife or something. Dang. I-9, 14,900. Sheesh. Let's go, Harmon. Alright, so we will start with this. Damn, I haven't done this in a long time. Got that good shit? Facts. I haven't done this shit in a long time, chat. I haven't done this shit in a long time, I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually I'm kind of scared, to be honest, bro. W-Intel facts. I haven't done this shit in a minute. All right, y'all gotta help me though. So I'm gonna start with the motherboard and the processor, right? That's smart, right? That's a lot of money, but it's good investment. Facts. I'm not gonna have to upgrade for a long fucking time. Wait, so I could start with the motherboard and the processor, right? Facts. Just watch a YouTube fan. You're low-key right. I usually don't need like YouTube for this shit though. Like last time I did this shit, deadass, I did this shit like. But yeah, let me just use YouTube actually. Let's get a good video going. Damn, I wish I was on my server right now. This is not a fire drill, nigga. This is the real thing. You can put the RAM, CPU. Where's the case? The case is. So this is the other PC, chat. This is the other PC right now. It's still plugged in. So take socks off. Why? I do have to get the RAM from this PC as well. I have to get the RAM from this PC. Okay, you know what? Yeah, let me be smart about this. Nothing happened to my other PC, but I'm just upgrading. For static, say on God, you can do the RAM at the end also. All right, so I got to get that RAM from there. That's the only thing I need from the old PC. Oh, and the storage. I need the storage from the old PC too. So you know what? I'm gonna just close the old PC actually as well. Damn, that's the music though. Yeah, this is the last time I'm about to be using this computer, bro. Alright, fuck it. It's the last time we use this computer, chat. It's the last time we use this computer, bro. After today, this is done. Leave the music, bro. Those are the fastest thing to swap out. Oh, wait. Okay, wait, hold on. I think you're right, low key. I'm gonna leave the music though. I'm gonna do the RAM last. Come on, holy fuck, it's Oh, I'm getting a new computer, bro. This shit takes so long. Holy shit. Mind you, I'm just starting Google, bro. This is just Google. It takes this long to start Google, bro. Come on, bro. This is crazy. This is just Google Chrome, by the way. This is Google fucking Chrome, and it's taking this long to load. Y'all see this shit? You need a new desk? I need a new desk badly, bro. I need a new desk badly, bro. Holy shit, how long is it gonna take me to load up Google Chrome, bro? I just need this on the screen, bro. Delete cookies? Not that. Alright, bang. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna do the RAM last just so we can have the music. Cause I can't have the computer on without the RAM, right? So bang, what's good, Soj? Don't watch corn, a new setup? I guess so. Alright. Let's open this shit. But don't I need to do like your desk is so shaky? With that desk, I know I need a new desk badly, bro. Oh God, I'm living on some poverty shit, bro. I don't know. I got these two as a bundle, yes. Most important thing is putting that metal plate from the motherboard on PC case first. Okay, so wait, do I actually really have to not wear socks? Do I dead ass have to take off my socks? Go ahead and put that back dust plate on. Are you giving away this PC? No, I'm building it for use. This is for use. Okay, let me just start. Don't worry about your socks. That's what I'm saying. Last time I did this shit, I had socks on. Let me just start, bro. What is this? Nothing's in there. Actually, can I keep this in here while I'm doing this? Okay, bad. What's this? Oh, this is like the back plate. Connectors. That metal plate right there, yes. Yeah, you have to put this in. I know what you're talking about. Okay, so damn, I haven't done this in way too long. Should I just do the processor first? What should I put on first? What should I put on? Because my processor, it has this this liquid cooler, right? So obviously I kind of want to do that last, no? Motherboard? Yeah, this is the motherboard right now. But I'm not going to put this in the case right away, right? I'm going to assemble it right here first and then put it in the case, right? Nice AIO, thank you, ABZ. I'm going to assemble it right here and then put it in the case, right? That's valid. Better overclock CPU. Okay, so I'll do the CPU first and then I'll put the okay, I'll do the CPU first and I'll put the AIO on later. That makes sense. This shit is so nerve-wracking, bro. Do I need like gloves or some shit? I'm freaking. Woo! Oh, GG. Okay, we'll keep this like that. Bada bing. Yeah, don't go until you're assembling case. Okay, bet. That's what I'm thinking. I had to get a whole mini table for this shit too. You have to wash the boards? Nice. Did you wash hands? No. I don't have to wash my hands to build a fucking computer. It's the i9 14. What do you call this? 14900? A 14900K. I keep saying 14,900, but that doesn't sound right. Beautiful processor though. Although this design is so whack, like this shit looks terrible, honestly. This like case design, I don't know, something about it. Let's turn the flash on. Alright. There she is, boys and girls. You got some W parts, this piece is gonna be lit. Fact. We're gonna actually be able to do desktops. like without lagging. Like, I can finally play Marvel Rivals without fucking lagging, bro. I want to play Silent Hill though, that new Silent Hill game. You do. There's a lot of dust in the packaging. You need to wash it with a cloth. Paste it in. Doesn't it come? Isn't it supposed to come with like thermal paste or something like that? What happened? Wait, hold on. Isn't it supposed to come with thermal paste or something like that? Can it play GTA 6? Facts. It should be able to, bro. It doesn't come with thermal paste. Thermal paste. Does it run Minesweeper? Of course. Good quality gaming sessions. Facts, Doge. There's no paste. Okay, bad. Why am I struggling to open this shit? Hold on. Wait, I need a timer. I wanted to time this. Okay, let's try to like make this shit choppy, deadass. Alright, we're gonna start the time. We'll just start now. Oh, we're definitely GTA 6 ready after this. They sell paste anywhere nowadays if you don't got any. I don't have any paste. I don't have any paste. Are we cooked? I don't have any paste. Doesn't the AIO come with paste? This should come with thermal paste. The cooler has the paste, no? The cooler has the paste. I'm pretty sure the cooler has the paste, chat. Yeah, see, look, MX6 included. That's the paste right there. 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 So we're good. That's the paste. So we're good, right? Can I put the CPU on here now? Are we good? Are we valid? Are we valid? Are we valid? Paste included. Okay, so we're good, right? We're good. I could put the CPU here with no paste, right? And then paste the AIO like after, right? Like, am I thinking correctly? Install processor first. What? It says install processor first, then remove and keep the cover. Replace this cover after removing processor or returning the motherboard. What? You know, I'm gonna watch the video just real quick. How to install i9 processor. You have chat. I know, bro. I know. Swallow the paste. I'm weak. Just lift that up. So, it says install processor first, then remove the cover, bro. Oh, GG's, bro. I already cooked it. Nice, bro. Yeah, GG's. All right, chat. GG's, bro. GG's. It's already done. Computer's broken. Computer's broken. You have to paste the pins. Nice, bro. Nice. You know, I built my current computer, so I'm not like an actual fucking dumbass. I just haven't done this in a long time. All right. Now what the fuck do I do here? Holy. Bro, why did I even take this out? This is too, like... It's just too expensive, bro. You know what, bro? I don't care. I'm watching the video. Lift the other pins. Lock. I gotta lock in, bro. What's this? Z790. Z790. Gaming. Wi-Fi. Motherboard. Are socks still on? Yes. Setup guide. Alright, let's lock in, chat. Let's lock in. Let's lock in. Damn, who this?
I was completely overwhelmed.
Hello, this is the Provoke Pro. CPU fan, AIO pump headers, and system fan headers. Although I will note they're all these things up if you refer to.
Did I miss it? Like, what the fuck? Oh, you guys can't even see. Austin Evans guide is good.
Rainbow connectors, so JRGB for the RGB connectors. There's also
Austin Evans. I know Linus Tech Tips is good too. Austin Evans PC build. I just need something for this specific one, bro, because like, what am I supposed to do here, bro? Let me see. Let's process first to remove. Keep the cover. I feel so retarded right now, bro. Hold on. Yeah, great. It's just not even moving. You lift those pins off. These, right? I know, like, these are supposed to come off, and then, like, Z790 gaming Wi-Fi. Hold on. see.
Just pre-assess.
I just want to know exactly how the lift's set up because I'm just not even trying to do anything wrong. Can you please install the fucking... Thank you. Okay, wait, what are you doing? Why did my... Oh my god, no way. I'm literally about to see this shit and my phone just dies. Bro. Nah, that's crazy. And it's not even dead, by the way. My phone has just been turning off, like, periodically, bro. Come on, bro. Look, it's not even dead, by the way. It just doesn't want me to see it. All right, do I just, like, pull this out, bro? Like, oh... See, I'm retarded, bro. I'm a little retarded, chat. I'm sorry. Let's lock in, bro. What am I doing? I don't even need the video. Oh, God, I don't need the video. Let's lock in, chat. Let's lock in. Let's lock in. Let's lock in. Oh, is that correct? Let's see. Bang. Bang. Yo, chat, put a W if you're going to be here for the whole installation. For the whole setup, bro. From beginning to end, man. I need some people here, on God. Can't even lie to y'all. All right, do I just do this? Oh my god, am I cooking it? Am I cooking it? Holy shit. No, I definitely just do that, right? Like, it's obviously not like this. So yeah, it's definitely just bang, right? It's bang and you just bang, bada boom, right? I just do that, right? 24-hour stream, no bullshit. I definitely just do that, right? I definitely just push this back and it, like, you know what I mean? Let me just... But my last shit, still kind of fresh, but yes, lock the pin. All I do is, like, this is simple. This is like the simplest part. I just do that, right? I just want to make sure, bro. I just want to make sure. Listen to Harmonize, I know. Yo, Harmonize, so I deadass just, like, push this, right? And it locks? Or am I tweaking? Because what else could I do here? I can't do anything else besides that, pretty much. Yes, right? Yeah. All right, if I break it, it's on Harmonize. I ain't gonna lie. Oh my god, that doesn't feel right. That doesn't, oh god, that doesn't feel right. On bro, that doesn't feel right. That doesn't feel right. Let me just watch the video real quick. That doesn't feel right, on God. Did you put it in the right way? I mean, it all... I think so. Let me see.
Between two different species.
Looks like it only works one way, right? Like, it won't work this way. Oops. Oh, it will. No, it won't. Yeah, it won't work this way. So, it only works one way. Yeah, so this is for sure a billion% the right way. There should be a notch on the CPU that line up on the north. Where's the notch at? Yeah, this got to be the right way. Yeah, this is the right way for sure. I'm trying to find like a notch or some sort if I can. Okay.
Plastic thing off. Now Intel chips. They go into that corner.
Sorry, Chad. I gotta watch this real quick just to make sure. Bro! Oh my god, bro. I'm actually about to lose it. 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 I'm actually about to lose it, bro. I'm actually about to lose it, bro. Alright, fuck it. I'm just gonna do it. Don't care. At this point. Just pull up the video on desktop. Where's my laptop? You know what? Bro, it's tweaking. Nah, bro, I'm not tweaking. Why is my phone dying when it's not dead? Why is my phone dying when it's not dead? Why is my phone dying at 30%, bro? Why is my phone dying at 30%, bro? Why is my phone dying at 30%, bro? Z. I probably look crazy right now. Oh no. I probably look wild right now, bro. Oh, let's lock in, bro. Let's lock in. Alright, I just want to make sure, bro, because I'm not, like, these parts are so fucking expensive, bro. Okay, that's it. Alright, we're doing it right. We're doing it right. We're doing it right. Alright. Bada bing. Alright, so that's it. That's that. Bang. Lock in literally, yeah. So we locked that in. That's looking beautiful. W's. What's next? So this is for the, obviously the video card, RAM, CPU's done. Chat, what do we do next? What do we do next? CPU's done. CPU's locked in. What should be the next move? What should be the next move? We can go RAM. We can go SDD. We can go whatever. It really doesn't matter, right, at this point. GPU. Install that SS. Let's do the SS real quick because it's fucking like fast as shit, right? Where does SS go though? Where do SSDs? Oh, do SSDs even go on the motherboard? Or they go on their own, like? Because I know it's storage. They definitely do go on the motherboard, right? I'm tweaking. Goes in the end too. GG's? Why is it GG's? Wait. Yeah, I feel like GPU, because the GPU is fucking huge, bro. So that low-key got to be like kind of towards the end.
You forgot remove the extra wire from atomizer or else your PC will explode.
Nice, bro. Nice. Is this your first time? No, it's not, bro. It's my first time in like 5 years, bro. It's been a while. So I'm kind of just a little tad bit nervous. This thing is so fat. See that part to the right? To the right of the metal circle. Where's the metal circle? All right, to the right of this. SSD clips to that part. SSD clips here. I'm gonna just search it up. Where's the? I should have had the motherboard manual like in my hand this whole fucking time, to be honest. I think I just threw that shit out. Oh, there it is. I just want to know where the SSD goes exactly. What's up, hopeful? Straight down towards you. Hold on. Let me find some people who have some knowledge of PC building. We got Harmonize in here. He knows what he's talking about for sure. Most of you guys do, to be honest, bro. Even I do. I just haven't done this in a while, so I'm a little clammy about it. Realize you said you would swap around from other PC. Is it the same generation? Oh, no. Oh, wait. I hope to God it's the same generation. Wait a second, bro. How do I check? How do I check, bro? How do I check? How do I check it's the same generation, bro? Shit. I think it is because everything else was like, how do I explain? Like everything else on the PC part picker, what is it called? What's the word I'm looking for, bro? The compatibility, it was all green. Like, it all worked. So I'm pretty sure it is. I'm pretty sure it is. I hope to God it is. Because if it's not, we're going to wait like another day to completely finish the build. And we're just cooked. All right, let's do the SSD real quick, though. Let me see this shit. Where'd it go? Oh. The fuck? Why is this like stuck on here like this? Oh my god, why is it just sitting right here? Anyway. So I've never used an SSD before, so I don't know where this goes actually, to be honest with you. Let's see. Look, shawty shit. Oh, it goes right here, huh? Somewhere right here. I need like a diagram of this Z790 gaming one. Let me search it up on my computer real quick. See what RAM's compatible, if it's DDR4, DDR5. Look at the motherboard box, line up the notches and insert, look up the motherboard box and see what RAM's compatible, if it's DDR4 or DDR5. Alright, I'm gonna look up the compatibility right now. This shit better be compatible, bro. If it's not, I might have to just end the stream at this point. Well, is DDR5 new, bro? When did DDR5 come out? Oh yeah, GG's, bro. I think it's GG's. I asked how you might be cooked if your old PC's DDR4. That's what I'm saying. It might be cooked. Asus.
Give us model number of Asus board.
Asus Z790. Z790. Asus Z790. Wait, it says it does support DDR4. Oh wait, it has to be specific one that is DDR4. It's the Asus Z790 Gaming Wi-Fi 7 ATX LGA 1700. I'm gonna go check the old computer real quick. I'm gonna do a run on it real quick, and then we could see. We'll see exactly which what we have on here. Look like a bag of ice. Look good, Phil. Alright, sorry for this scuffed stream chat, but we're gonna get to the bottom of this real quick. Alright. These are no Hirachis. Bad bitch, figgy flow, eating hibachi. Wait, actually, no, we don't need to do that. Part picker. Let's see. Save part lists. So this is my old. This is the old motherboard right here. DDR4. Okay. Worst case scenario, we just have to move this shit to tomorrow. All right. So yep, GG's. DDR5. Yep, it's cooked. It's cooked. It's cooked. It's cooked. It's cooked. I think we just have to order the new. Damn. Let's see. What's Gucci Murray? What's up, T Grinder? Damn, you could build it all and just get RAM later. That's what I'm saying. Fuck. It's easily installed. What you mean? Yeah. RAM is the easiest thing. So you know what? We could just build everything besides the RAM. So we could just build everything besides the RAM today then. Right. So in that case, I didn't even need, like, I can actually be on the server because we're gonna still have to use this computer. We hooping today? Nah, we're building this PC. At least we're building most of it today. I can literally install the RAM while it's in the case too, right, chat? So it's fine. Best Buy or Walmart still open if you... Ooh, you're right. Does Best Buy sell RAM? We might have to make a quick run real quick. You built a PC before? Yes, sir. Wait, does Best Buy did I sell RAM? We have to make a run. We might have to make a run. We got hella time too. I'll wait till yeah. Okay, let's see if they have the ones we need. Damn shit, when I was a kid, we got more time to get rich. Damn, how the fuck did I forget to get current RAM, bro? That's actually so retarded. How much did you spend? I already spent like 2 point something thousand. Now I'm about to spend more. Did I really forget to get RAM? Let me just check my orders real quick. 1 second, chat. No way I forgot the RAM, bro. I mean, in my head, I was going to use the old RAM. That's crazy. All right, it's whatever. Let's go get some then. Let's go get some RAM real quick, chat. Let's see, Best Buy. You building a Beast PC? Yes, sir. Best Buy has a lot of PC stuff, so does Walmart. They just need DDR RAM. I have 40 gigs in my old computer, so there's no reason why I would go back like and downgrade, right? How many gigs of RAM do I need, chat? How many gigs of RAM do I need? Why does my phone keep turning off, bro? Holy shit. Oh, how many gigs of RAM do I need, though? Like 32? Oh, damn it. God damn, I knew something was wrong, bro. I knew something was wrong. At least 64. Fuck it. I mean, at this point, bro. 16 minimum. I think I'm just gonna get the 32. I'm just gonna get 32 gigs real quick. Pick up at Hollywood. Best Buy is still open. Yeah, Best Buy is still open. It says max 192 gigabytes of RAM. I think I'm gonna get just 32. 32 should be good. Bet. Okay, they have it. They have it near me too. All right, let's go. Let's go, chat. Chat. Do we just? Nah. What am I saying? Let's just go. Let's just go. Thing is, though, I'm not on my server right now because I thought I would not. I thought I was gonna, take the RAM out of that computer, so I'm not on my server. I'm thinking we get on the server before we go. And then we'll be able to switch to desktop and shit too. It makes shit easier. I think I'm gonna do that real quick. I might have to. The more RAM, the faster, the better your computer works. Kinda. Or do we just say fuck the server? Just go. Maybe we just go. Fuck it. Who our phone in? You must be a bitch too. I'll go with 64 if you're gonna stream with it. So right now, in that one, I have 40. I'm so mad I can't use that old one though. That actually pisses me off, bro. I thought I was gonna save so much money on that because that's like, you know what? I'm thinking more RAM makes it more slow. I'm thinking that computer can just be dedicated to being a server, bro. Now that I'm thinking about it, that computer can just be dedicated to being a server. Is that a good idea? Where's my phone at, bro? Oh, it's charging. Okay. All right, let's go. Let's go get some RAM real quick. Yeah, let's go get some RAM. Oh, I'm okay. I'm a god compared to you. I want to get on the server just so we have disconnect protection. Actually, now that I think about it. Okay. All right, chat. It might glitch out for 2 seconds. I just want to have disconnection protection just because Best Buy does get laggy. Facts, Harmon. Facts. More RAM significantly boosts the computer's ability to multitask. It shouldn't make it slower, right? There's no reason why it should.